Morning. We're back out here in the garage, 6.8 liter garage, 6.8 liter shop, whatever. A while back I got a text from my cousin that asking if I could make one of these. She saw a rooster made out of horseshoes. I was like, sure, you get the horseshoes, and not a problem. She has horses. I'll weld it up for you. So she finally dropped off the horseshoes, so I've got to make good on the rooster. Printed out a copy of the picture, so I'll have a template, well, a guide. And hey, no chickens look the same, right? So if my chicken doesn't look exactly like that one, or the rooster doesn't look exactly like that one, it's not a failure, it's just a different bird. So I'm gonna clean up the crap and rust and dirt, hay, whatever off these horseshoes, and we'll get them cut up and welded together. Let me show you what I'm talking about when I say cut up, because there's 7 horseshoes there total. The comb of the rooster's 3 little pieces, the tail's 3 pieces, so that's 3 of them. Head, wing, body, and feet, there's 4 more, so 7 horseshoes. And fill it in with some rebar for the leg and the beak, and let's see what happens. I'll try to put that together. Okay, so I'll mark these where I need to cut them, where I think I need to cut them. This is going to be the comb, and that's going to be the comb, and this one's going to be the tail. Alright, now let's cut them out. Alright, so the only sparks today will be tacking this together. There won't be any arc droid, but doesn't mean we're not going to be cutting. We're going to be cutting with the bandsaw. One more thing that needs to happen. You notice in that picture, 2 of the horseshoes are collapsed a little bit. So let's see if we can. I'm not exactly a farrier, but I bet I can collapse a horseshoe. Little map gas. See if we can get this hot enough. Might not even need heat, but what the heck, I have it. We'll see if that's hot enough. Hot enough when you're using Thor's hammer. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. Good enough. One bent. That one will be the wings, I think, and this one's going to be the head. Let's see if I can get it much hotter this time, make it easier on me. Let's see what happens. Nothing happened. Let's see. Fire it across the room. Well, there we go. Not a farrier, but that's close enough. Okay, I know it's upside down for you, but you're watching from up there. But so you see the vision? This wing's a little bit too big, but that's the horseshoes I have, so every chicken's different, right? Has a little bit of a Chick-fil-A logo look to it to me. These legs will go on here. And this base, whoops, lost the tail feather. And the base goes on here. So let's get started welding it together, tacking it together. There we go. Horseshoe yard art shaped like a chicken. Okay, here we are in the 6.8 liter spray booth. Metal's still warm from welding, so it should cure quickly. I don't know what breed of chicken is, white like that, foghorn leghorn chicken. I still think it looks a lot like the the Chick-fil-A logo. You can criticize my paint job, but it's yard art. And it was rusty horseshoes before that, so I'm not going to sweat it too much. We'll let the white dry and then paint the comb and the legs, the base. Look at the runs. Who should I say? Somebody call Robbie Layton. See if he needs another painter. Okay, that's the project for this video. I'm not real patient, so I didn't wait till the paint was dry to start unmasking, but I unmasked it, touched up what I messed up. It's just yard art, so I think it's good. I don't know if it's exact match to the, well, I know it's not an exact match to the inspiration chicken here, but it's not bad. Anyway, yeah, I don't know how you get all your projects, but this project came in through a text from a cousin. Said, hey, can you make one of these? And probably. So she supplied the horseshoes, and I supplied the time, and there you go. I don't know, Chick-fil-A chicken? Some foghorn leghorn maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, got a chicken yard art, or rooster yard art. Anyway, if you got anything out of this, you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it. Let people know. Let people know about it, and give me some comments. Let me know what you think, what I did wrong, what I did right, what you wish I'd have done. Comments are always nice to get, and subscriptions, of course. You know, YouTube likes those too. So, anyway, I appreciate you watching.